Morning. Today we have topic. Do you know what's the topic 5? Do you remember? What is that? How to publish in scholarly journals, right? This is the most important topic. And in this topic, we are going to cover what are all the procedures to be followed by publication activities, right? So here, there are certain publication techniques are available. Let us follow the techniques and we will try to do the, submit our articles in the proper methods. Last session, we discussed about how to find out the journals from the Scopus as well as Web of Science, right? So if you have done it properly, means you might have selected your journal, target journal now, right? So having seen the target journal, we have to make our articles ready for acceptance. We have to go for the guidelines of the articles. According to the guidelines, we have to prepare the articles. While we prepare the articles, what are the things to be concentrated? That's what we are going to see. And why we want to write articles means, so writing is a complex process actually. And even it is a competent, writing is a difficult skill to be acquired. So actually the skill can be learned only by means of repeated activities. Whether we want to learn this skill means you have to do repeatedly, you have to write and you have to rewrite, and in such a way repeatedly when you do, then only skill can be learned. And simply I can write one article, cutting and paste means it is not at all possible. That how much of time that you spend in writing articles and how much of efforts that you have taken, it depends on the quality of the article. So it will result to the quality of the articles. So that there are many myths about the skill of writing. So try to understand. You people, if you don't have the skill, right? The writers, you are going to become the writers means if you want to write the article as an author, if you want to be an author means you should always concentrate on the other part. Every coin has two sides, right? The same way, whether you are the writer means you are an author means the other part is readers. You should concentrate on them, right? Simply, it is not the matter that you have to publish your article and it is a mandatory, I have to publish article. Whether the part of article has to be passed from my side means that's enough. What you don't think so. It needs special skill. If you don't have skill, if you don't improve your skill, delete the first letter in skill. You will kill the reader. You will kill the readers. If you kill the readers, again delete K. They would become ill. They would become ill. And how long? Again delete I. LL is remaining lifelong. On seeing the author name itself, they never look at your paper. Your paper will not be considered by anybody else. So that the attraction is needed. You need attraction. On seeing the title itself, on seeing the author itself, you might have seen that some of the pictures. On seeing the director, with this director means I have to look at the picture. So the name of the directors attracts the audience, onlookers, spectators to see the pictures. In such a way, you need to improve your skill. So skill is not a tablet that I can just swallow and I automatically can get immune power like this. Skill has to be done only by means of practice, right? So, but what people think that this is mind. So it is inborn knowledge. It is inborn knowledge. What do you think? It is not so. So people assume that good writers are born with the innate ability to write. It is not so. Nobody has taken in this world with the birth. All the abilities that he or she has are possessed. Only the things it can be improved from this earth only. So that research has shown that this is not true. All writers need to work at the writing. Some may be more successful at it than others. Keeping closely to words limits and format is even more difficult while writing in a formal text. Okay, how it is to be carried out, let us see. So writing is not a gift. I'm telling again, writing is not a gift, but it is a skill and anyone can pick up. So Are you come under this? I mean, do you come under this category of anyone or not? Can you pick up what your own writing skill? So not focus only on what you have to say, right? How to say it. Matter is small, but how you present it, that is more important. Though it is quality, but presentation skill is needed, right? But to concentrate on some strategies help you write successfully. What are the stepping stones of good writing? So experienced writer spend a lot of the time planning before they attempt the first draft. So you should make a plan while you write a first draft. So imagine, dear friends, article writing means you should start writing, don't copy. First step. You should write using your pen, using your notebooks. You should write it on the notes. You should write it on your notebooks. But article writing, most of 99% of the people, what they do, simply they start writing on computers. It is not so. Write at your own. While you write, automatically the imagination power will come out. You have intuition in your brain. While you write, the imagination will be, motivated. Your imagination will be created. Then you can write at different level. So that while, you might have seen that the poets who write, while they write, what happened? The imagination will be improved. Let me share with you an incident. What happened with the Rabindranath Tagore, once he wanted to write a poem and he went on traveling, he went on sailing on the boat. While he was sailing on the boat, he lit a small light, candle, to write a poem. He crushed his mind to write a poem. For a long time, more than an hour, the boat was sailing on. Still, he was not able to get, his imagination. He was not able to write a small single stanza, single set, he was not able to write. Then, having got frustrated, he just light up the candle. When he lighted off the candle, what happened? The pleasant light of the moon covered in there. Which one? This boat. And it improved, it created his imagination thereafter. What he said, first, before writing, he said that small candle stopped my imagination and prevented to come over the moonlight in my boat. So try to understand, so that you need imagination power. When you write imagination, with your imagination, you can bring lot of information, that things are there in your brain, right? So that what you have an experience writer, you have to make a plan. Spend a considerable amount of time thinking about readers. As I told you that, we should not just think about just whatever that I have, just I want it. No, I have to think about the readers. Just look at the part of them. You just place yourself in the place of the readers. How you receive information, if this statement is there. Then explore your subject topic as thoroughly as possible. You should know that. The topic, you should be very familiar with. The topic ideas you should have known first. If I understood first, then only I can make others understand. Then consider your first draft to be a rough. Try to understand. Don't think that your first draft will be a final. It is a rough copy. How many rough copies you have come up, then only you can get the fantastic copy. So thoroughly revise your draft, sometimes completely rethinking and restructuring your first draft. So let us go for this one. While you go for research paper, what are the research papers? While you write articles, what are the research papers types are available? One is short communication. Another one is review paper. Another one is research element. And the last one is a full article. So what is the newspaper article? There is one more thing that we can call the newspaper article. It serves the purpose of informing the audience of particular event or issue, newspaper article. So newspaper article, the writers of newspaper, so they have gained some experience, so that it is not the first step that we can do. Second one is feature articles. Feature article means feature film, you might have seen that. And documentary film like this. So documentary, right? So feature article can be about any particular thing. So they are often more emotive and subjective. They can entertain and persuade as well as inform and go beyond the information provided by newspaper articles and take on a particular side. That is feature article. Somebody write feature article. and another one is the research article. Now here you can find that this short communication in scientific community, what they know, the short communication is about only 4 pages, maximum 4 pages, and it would communicate the society what is the current trend, what is the current status. It will just sum up all those things in 4 pages, that is short communication. And review paper, already some article might have published it. Then we might have reviewed on that focus, something you may add an additional. You can give some complimentary on that. Otherwise, you may comment on that. And it can be about 3 or 4 pages. That is also review paper. The expert can do this. Short communication also, the expert can do this. And research element is only the main content of that part, and with the formulas and other things that can be shared. That is research element. It is also about 3 to 4 pages. But full article has more than around 8 to 15 pages. From 8 to 15 pages full articles. So that how to write articles, sir? Now tell me, what are the procedures to be followed, sir? So if you are the beginners, it is called an amateur writer, right? As we are the amateur writer, what can we do, sir? So first of all, you can plan that. Now, if you have an idea that, so if you have fear in you that I'm not able to publish article in journal straight away, if it is the case, what you have to do, better you should go for conference paper. Writing conference paper is the first step. Conference paper means which conference? Sometimes local conference, the beginning. There is no impact and it will not be considered. But if you have that much of, if you have gained knowledge, what you should do that, you should look at the conference theme first. You should look at the conference theme, whether it is 100% relevant to your topic. Select those conferences. And next you should think about who are the organizers, standard organizers, because these organizers will take their papers into Scopus and review, Web of Science journals. The conference proceedings, selected papers will be published in Scopus and which one? Web of Science. Let me show you that. For example, some of the conference, so that whenever the conference is organized, you should not just rush to that conference and submit your paper. Most of the people, what do? Will you apply this conference? Because 2 days OD will be given from our department and fully they will be, there is a celebration there and we can have full stomach of lunch with a variety of food there. We can enjoy 2 days. Maximum what you people think. But what we have to do, we should concentrate on those conferences which have been resulted into the publication into Scopus and the index. For example, see, this is one of the conference. What happened? They have said that the full paper sent for conference proceeding will be subjected to double-blind reviewing process and will be published electronically with this ISSN number in the proceeding DOA number. Accepted papers published in the conference proceeding will be submitted to Google Scholar, Scopus, and Thomson Reuters for possible indexing. So this is now, if you think that, so you should target that type of conferences. You should target that type of conferences. That conferences will, if it is a standard organizer, they will organize this type of conferences. So the registration fees will be somewhat high, around 2,000 rupees. International conference means about 5,000 rupees even. And they will ask you to submit the paper. Submit the paper means not full paper. They will ask you to submit only abstract. Ask you to submit only abstract. So if you submit your abstract, they will do what they do, you know, it will go for review. And if your topic is really worthwhile, and even it is trending, it is catchy, and you have given some quality information, means you will be asked to submit full paper there. Then once your full paper is submitted, again it will be reviewed. Then they will send you the report that whether it is accepted or not. Okay, who are all the organizers, you know? ASME, IEEE, this type of conferences. So they will publish in the journal of articles. And the first they will ask about abstract, then only full paper, then review, then they will accept. Once it is accepted by the juries, it will be published in which one? Web of Science or Scopus. Maximum Scopus journals it will be published. And even you can show this article for your PhD. Try to understand? This is one method. You can go with the publication. Now you can have the question, sir, how do I know that, sir, this conference, where it is organized, what it is? Because you people never look at the other side. So what we can do, these are all the alerts available in which you can log in. And for example, papercrowd.com. In this papercrowd.com, if you log in and if you have created your login ID, it will inform you when the conference, where, in which country, and even with all the details about of the conferences and fees, you can select. Now what you can do, you can just type what are the subject you are, find the conferences by research topic or location. Whether it is in, you want in India conference, you just in India, what all the conferences available. If you just click on with that country, it will show you what all the conferences is going to be organized in India. Right? If you have passport, and other things, right? See, 2021, the 10th International Conference on Software and Computing Institute, we can just, even the filters are given. These are all the conferences, standard conferences. I will make us clear. What is the site I told you? Last one. Scratching your head. What is the link I told you? Sir, I have come here for just to take good sleep here. Okay. Otherwise, see, allconference.com, allconferences.com, even. These are all the conference alerts. So in which you should have login ID and a password if you have created. They will inform you when the conference, where the conference is going to be organized, in which you can apply. See what all the countries, in what subject it is. Okay. So USA, whether you want USA conference, Malaysia, and even if you have passport to go somewhere else, right? You can apply for this conference. But what do you people do? I don't want to cross the boundary of Annamalai University. Only whether it is organized by Annamalai University in any department. You are doing science student, you are. Whether they are conducting in history, I am ready, sir. What way it is relevant to you? History. Even the people are sitting there. Zoology, I am doing zoology, sir. Zoology, in what way it is relevant? Somewhat it is relevant, sir. When lunch hour. Only relevant to the lunch hour. So people should think that 100% relevant to your theme, and you can travel anywhere to attend this type of conferences. It will, improve your knowledge also, and even country, all the subjects are available. According to the subject wise, you can find and select and just have a visit to that place and submit your papers. So these are all the IEEE conference alert in such a way, WikiCFP conference. I mean, make it clear. So that first step of publication of your publication means you can go with which one? Conference. Yes. Conference which is not normal conference. I'm talking about the conference proceedings published in it. Scopus are. Okay. Now let us come to the types of journals. Okay, sir. Now I don't want to go conference because it is beyond to the limit. I don't want to travel Singapore because Corona is heavy there, and China I don't want to go there because so you may have some of the reasons. So sitting at your home itself, you can submit your papers to the journal. First of all, we should understand what all the types of journal available. So one type of journal is called open access journal, and another one is limited access journal. Another one is predatory journal. Open access journal means what? Open access journal means anybody can see your paper. Anybody can download the paper. Right? That's open access journal. Anybody can just look at the paper and they can download and they make use of this. There is no any restriction in usage of the articles published in that particular journal, that is open access. But what happened? That open access has two options for that, paid and unpaid. Paid means that author has to pay for it, even open access is that. What is the meaning of that? Why do we want to go for open access? You know, open access means the usage level will be more, so that our paper, if our paper is published in open access journal, the choice of learning of the paper, looking at the paper, downloading the paper will be more, so that when number of people will download it, they will read and they will give citation for our article. We will get citation. Is it or not? So that what happened on behalf of the readers, on behalf of the users, you have to pay. You have to pay amount for them. So that is known as paid open access. Unpaid means, so they won't ask any money to you and it will be free. Is it? This is open access. Limited access journal means, so this access can be done only with the institution who has subscription. That is limited access. It is always unpaid. That the institution will, so the organization which publish, they will take care of that and you need not pay for it. That is limited access journal. And predatory journal means they don't follow any procedures. Morning you meet us, right? Evening 6 o'clock it will be accepted. They will ask you to pay the fee immediately. Even if you pay in the evening, next morning the paper will be online. Very good. This is the best journal if you think. That is called a predatory journal. No any review procedure, no any this one. So that is not the right one. That is not the index journal we can follow. Okay. So here it is always paid. You have to pay for it. Even if you talk about open access, this open access has further two other divisions. One is gold open access, another one is green open access. Gold open, I mean the gold open access and green open access. When we talk gold open access, always it is open. But then green open access, it has embark period. Certain year, for 1 year it will be open. Thereafter it will be closed. Then the people who have to download it, they have to pay for it. Is this or not? So that type of things. Again, this open access has two more platforms. And as you people are, I mean, going to submit your articles in Web of Science Scopus, mean they are the publishing agencies. Who are all the publishing agencies? You know, Elsevier, Springer, Wiley Blackwell, Taylor and Francis, and Sage. These are all the publishers who are, I mean, involved in indexing their articles, indexing their journals in Web of Science Scopus. And even on the last class itself, I have told you that what is UGC CARE list, right? They are also publishing agency, a type of platform. I have explained these things. We don't want to waste our time, right? Next. Yeah. Now you have to understand such a thing. You should understand the indexing system properly. If you want to submit your paper in a proper journal, means you should understand the indexing system. What is indexing system, sir? Some journals will calculate only rates. They will calculate rates. This much of paper has been rates. This much of paper has got that much of rates. Is it true? Have you ever seen that whether they have read the paper? Otherwise, they have folded the paper. They have sold the paper to the Vadawala. Okay. But simply they are calling. It's not the proper indexing system. Rates. Somebody says downloads. While we go on that platform, there is a dashboard. It will be rolling on. And you can find that this much of downloads. Even that is not the proper one. Visits. Right? Even what happens, some journals, they says visit, this much of visit for this. Even it is not mandatory. But you should understand that the journal which follows indexing system, they will follow this system properly. That is known as citation. As I told you that citation is nothing but the credit given to the author by using this references, right? And sometimes it may be from bibliography. Try to understand. So what are the indexing system available, sir? What are the indexing system available online? You know, Scopus. One. Another one is PubMed indexing system. Then Google Scholar indexing system. So they are all the standard. And Index Medicare, this is also standard. Then Thomson Reuters, that is Web of Science. And even Casper, an Italian organization encompassing 9 universities from central and southern Italy. That is also Casper is another index system. And this one, Directory of Open Access Journals. This is also one more. These are the standard indexing system. Right? Understand? These are all the standard indexing system. And immediately the predatory journal, they have started from indexing system like this. Expanded academic years. They will have given like this. I mean, expanded. This is covers everything from art and literature to economics and the sciences in such a way they have covered. They have got expanded academic ASP. Genomic Journals League. This is one more indexing system. Some journal shows. And one more Hinari, enabling the developing world to access health research. Then OpenJGate. Actually, OpenJGate is a, standard we can call somewhat, right? Then Primo Central, another index system. And another bogus is Copernicus. Right? So these are all the indexing system are shown on your journals. Okay? You should find out whether these indexing systems are available. They are the standard. With OpenJGate. And other indexing system, we cannot give you the guarantee. Right? Actually, the standard publishing agency, they won't follow this one. They will follow only the previous one which I told. Okay. So that as soon as you have targeted your channels, what you have to do, you should read author guidelines. Right? Okay. Shall we go for the writing process now? How to write articles and what are the things to be concentrated? If you want to write the article, what are the content to be covered in it? Title, in which we will give name of author and affiliation. What is affiliation? Give proper affiliation name. Without affiliation name, without department name, if you have published any one of the article, your paper will not be considered for thesis submission. Right, understand? Then abstract, then keywords, then introduction, then review of literature, then methodology and discussion, results and interpretation, then conclusion, then references, then you have to give acknowledgement. Right? Acknowledgement means you should not give for my head of the department, that is not the acknowledgement. The paper relevant. Now, how the title should be set? Try to understand. Whether you want to fix the title, that title should be limited to 10 to 15 words. It will be only 10 to 15 words. Not be a quick paragraph. And in which you should concentrate a keyword there. Keyword. Because while anybody search in Google Scholar or Google, that Google Scholar or that search engine will bring your paper on the top. So that if you include any proper keyword, you may get more number of citation. Right? Understand? So you can get more visibility online. So you need keywords. And the title should be relevant to subject. Relevant to subject means even that reading the title itself, this subject it belongs to. Because nobody looks at the paper first. In search engine, it will show only the title. Right? What subject it belongs to, whether they don't understand, they will not open it. That's why even the reviewers will concentrate. They will look at that, whether you have, relevant to subject in a form of single phrase. It should not be complex, more complex, more complex. It should be in single phrase. Then grammatically correct. Right? Whether it is to be used in, on, at, off, right? With, within, whatever the case it may be, properly you should use the grammatical words in it. And whether it is capitalization is needed for that journal, and the journal capitalized, you capital. Then avoid abbreviation in the maximum in the title. You should avoid abbreviation in the title. Okay. And while you write the title, consider the title should be short, specific, not too general. What your article, all the things should be summarized in your title. Even if you read that, what is that you are going to do this in this article? We clearly mentioned in the title as a too specific, right? Not very general, right? We see global level. What is this? Is global. In physics, there are so many concepts. What you need, right? So brief, clear, and descriptive words emphasize nobility, right? How the title should be started: simulation of, assessing of, comparison of, developing of, defining, identifying, screening, understanding, developing, impact of. In such a way, you should start and catch the audience. Here, Natu Korda, do you feel sleepy? Not yet. Huh? Then listen. Next, you are going to give the name of the authors. You should include those who had scientific contribution. Okay. Your friend says, while I write my paper, I will add your name. Only scientific contribution that they have done, you can add it. And the order of name should reflect the significance of the contribution. That's why what happened? Guide name is in second, because you have decided the title he is guiding, but all the things typed, everything you have done. That's why you will be considered contribution level is your contribution is more than the guide. That's why guide name is put next. Right? Understand? In such a way, how many authors may be in one article? As I told that 350, 400 articles, authors also available. In which lab it is tested, in what way the contribution level, it should be according to that contribution level, the author, the order of sequence will be arranged. While you write your affiliation, you should give the name A, B. A, first author A. Affiliation you should give. Professor, how can you give your author, I mean, guide name? Tell me. For example, your first name is your second name is guide. You will give the affiliation to you. How can you give his name? Doctor. Then water. Doctor so and so. Then thereafter his qualification. MBA, MA. No. Department. So what? How you try to understand? While you want to give the affiliation, first of all, whether he is your guide means you should give research supervisor and mentor. How you have to give research supervisor and mentor. Then don't give his designation. Don't give his designation, whether he is professor or whatever the case. Don't give. How to give? Research supervisor and mental research supervisor and mentor, then DPT, that's enough. DPT dot a, then DPT, you need not write even off with. Department of DPT, what department? Right? Zoology, chemistry, then which university? Annamalai University, right? You should give Annamalai University. Okay, in such a way you have to give, right? So if you give, why it is so sad? If you give research supervisor and mentor, while he takes your credit, 100% mark he will be given. Even he will be given 100% mark, not 40%. If it is given research paper, only if you give his name, he will given only 40 marks for his credit. Right to understand? So that while we publish the paper, we should give that guide name with the research supervisor and a mentor. Okay, right. And if you are the corresponding, if you are able to give answer for the reviewer, you should give asterisk mark to your name, and you should write at the bottom of the paper the abstract corresponding author. Right, understand? Corresponding author means if any reviews means it will be sent to you. And if you think that no, if I won't understand what the reviewer will ask, so that my guide name will be given means instead and the guide name you should give star mark and corresponding author you should inform to your guide. Okay, then there is no need of Dr. Mr. in the name at the author place, right? Then name of the department, institution, department means DEPT and institution full. Then corresponding author details should be given at the bottom. Next abstract. Trailer of your program, trailer of your picture, teaser of your picture. That is nothing but the abstract. It is the most important in which you have to give novelty claim in the abstract. Also in the introduction, right? You have to give novelty claim. எந்த வகையில இது attract பண்ணுது இந்த paper and compare explicitly your results with the earlier results and say what has improved. You should write this thing. இந்த மூணு விஷயத்தை அதுல கொடுத்திருந்தீங்கன்னா if you have included these three statements, compare your result and with the earlier results and say what has improved from your side, right? The abstract and the introduction, right? Understand, my dear friends? The abstract and the introduction should be are the last thing to write in your manuscript. You should not write at the first. You should write full paper. Then only you should write abstract and introduction. Sir, what is the status of your paper? Now I am writing introduction, sir. Coach. That means you are not doing properly. You should write introduction and abstract only last. After writing conclusion, you should come for into an abstract. How the abstract, you know? Now let us explain abstract. So what is abstract? You know, it is manuscript summary. Manuscript summary means summary writing in சொல்லிருக்காங்க தெரியுமா? While you studied 10th standard, summarizing 4 paragraphs or 5 paragraphs will be given and they will have, you will be asked to write into 1 paragraph. At the time what you did, you copy this one, this one, this one, this one, making 1 paragraph at the time. Not how. Abstract means you should have taken as an essence. 5 liter rasna has been given now. 5 liter rasna. From there you have to take the original rasna which has been, mingled in it, diluted in it. You take that one. That is summarizing. And strict number of words. The guidelines has given only 500 words abstracted. 2 paragraphs, 1000 words. Simple, summarily rejected. Because guidelines is must. And importance and introduction. What way your paper, this paper is important. This title is important. What you want to give, simple introduction, you should give that. And it should have what are the methods you have used. You should focus, you should give the answer for this question. Then abstract is over. What method you have used it, otherwise what you did. Then what is the result? What are the results? And what you found. Then what are the implication of your research or outcome? And what way it is useful to the society. These are the things should be, these are the questions for which you have to give answer. Abstract என்ன எழுதுறீங்களா இந்த கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் எழுது. என்ன மெத்தட ஃபாலோ பண்ண? என்ன ரிசல்ட்? இதனால உலகத்துக்கு என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்? ஏன் நேரம் கெட்ட நேரம் சொல்ல வரேன். அவ்வளவுதான். கம்மி பண்ணி அவமா பண்ண வேற வழி இல்லை. So இந்த கேள்விகளுக்கு தான் பதில் இருக்கணும். But one thing, there should not be any word repeated from abstract to introduction. Abstractல இருக்கிற வார்த்தை எந்த வார்த்தை எதுல வரக்கூடாது? இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ல வரக்கூடாது. இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ல இருக்கிற வார்த்தை எதுவுமே எதுல வரக்கூடாது? abstract. அதே மாதிரி abstract and introductionல இருக்கிற வார்த்தை conclusionக்கு வரக்கூடாது. I will tell you now. You should be very careful whether you have added something from abstract means the same word should not be repeated in introduction. And abstract and introduction words should not be repeated in conclusion. Right, understand? And the வார்த்தைகள் அங்க இருக்க கூடாது. Next we have to add keywords. After abstract என்ன பண்ணனும் நம்ம? Keywords. We have to give keywords. How to select keywords? Keyword selection is a must. On the first day itself I told you that by using it now பேர் சொல்றது என்னது? Keywords எப்படி select பண்ணனும் சொன்னேன். How to select? By using Boolean operators is the keyword கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் how to select keywords. What is the publication I told you? Dictionary, yeah. By using subject, so you should use a thesaurus for it. And keyword selections, right? Keyword should be, you should make use of this also from keywords. There are certain keywords available. Keywords sites are available. You can make use of keyword sites. You should select that keywords only, not your keywords. For example, here, see, this is one thing. Journal finder like this. Here, keywords. Tell any keywords. Sedimentology, yeah. Yes. Now it has given different headings. Sediment accumulation rate, sediment archive, sediment characteristics, right? What all the keywords are, popular in online. It has been given suggestion, right? So we should go for those sites and find out what all the things are there, because these keywords will be much helpful to you for getting your article more visible on online. That's why if you give the same terminology, as I told you that in the last class, cancer means general terminology, but your paper has considered, right? Oncology is the main topic. So you should give oncology rather than this one. Even I can tell you that here, I just type cancer. Here, cancer means what all the things in particular. Cancer means, have you taken these are the things in your thing, in your journal. Cancer means very general. Cancer with what topic you have taken. Otherwise, oncology, if I go for oncology, in oncology, what your title covers? Oncology care, oncology center, oncology clinic, oncology community. So which is right one? Compound. Right to understand? You should take keywords. What are the sites available, you know? Master keyword list. These are the sites will help you. Google Trends, Google AdWords, ISI Web of Knowledge, then mesh terms, medical subject heading, mesh terms, right? Mesh terms. If you are chemistry, biochemistry, you can make use of this mesh terms. Medical subject heading. So you can type any terminology and take the keywords. In such a way, these are all the, sites which will help you to select your keywords. Right, understand? So keywords is the main concept in your title, in your article, so that it can have more visibility. And even I am telling you that keywords, while you type it, you should read your author guidelines properly, because that author guidelines might have given 8 keywords. How many keywords? 4 to 8 keywords they might have given, if not 9 keywords. Whether you have 5 keywords or 6 keywords, okay. Then what is the connecting symbol he has said? Whether it is said comma, you should use only comma. Whether he has said a semicolon should be, because this is the HTML they have written in that, because for indexing purpose. That journal has said, written in their programming with this HTML code, say comma, semicolon, whatever the case, so that we have to follow the same. Right to understand? Then structure of a scientific paper overall. While you write, use double or 1.5 spacing with the font of how many? Right? Maximum while you type Calibri font. Read that. Whether the journal has said Tahoma means you have to type in Tahoma only. Whether it is Times New Roman means Times New Roman. Right? So in such a way, what is the font they have recommended? And number the pages. You should number the pages. Even number the lines, because in single page, how it would be. Sometimes what happens, the journal will set a mirror image. Your article should be in the mirror image. Mirror image means you should bring the mirror and you should look at that mirror. Is it so? What is a mirror image? In single side, right? Even in one page, it should be like this. Again, here, that is mirror image. There is an option in Word. You should type accordingly. Whether you go for latex, even the option is there for mirror image. That's why this guidelines is must while you go for articles. Do not exceed the number of words restricted by the journals. Even they have said this number of words only. You should be very careful. Journal article maximum how many pages, how many words say? 8,000 words they will have recommended. Do not use very long or very short paragraph. Long paragraph, immediately cursor put enter 2 paragraph length. No, according to this terminology, according to the subject importance. Then do not study. Yes. Do not use very long, complex sentence. Even you should not, I mean, lengthy sentence should not be there. It should be very specific. Then start a paragraph with a topic or some other indication of the subject. Topic should be there in every paragraph. Then divide long text section into smaller parts with the heading. Okay, these are general items. Let us go in depth. When you have the list of items, use bullets. Okay, if you have the same in the paragraph, list of items, you are use bullets. Dotted, right? Otherwise, here like arrow mark like this. And highlight reference in yellow while you give a reference this one by using Zotero or Mendeley. References while you give, that should be in yellow color. You should mark it yellow. In Springer Journal, in this one Wiley black, they will ask you, it should be in yellow. And figures in green. The figure number should be in green. And save the figures separate. You should save the figures separate with which one? Format DAFR, right? With how many DPI? 300 DPI, right? You should not save with the 500 or 1000 DPI means it won't be accepted. It will not be uploaded. Then caption below the figure. While you give the figure, the caption should be below. Whether you give the table caption, above the table. Right, understand? Okay. Now while you write introduction, these are general thing I have told you that. Now you are going to write introduction. Introduction should be 1 or 2 paragraph to introduce your work. Introduce your work, not the subject. They know subject well. They know subject well. You need not teach them. So introduce your work. So this is the work I have taken. What that mean? In which point out the issues that are being addressed in the present work. What are the issues and how you are going to present this work, how you proceed on this work you have to do. Introduction could be the most important content to encourage the reviewers to read further and potentially accept the paper. Try to understand. All the reviewers will go through only abstract and only these 2 things. Whether you have satisfied them with the abstract and introduction, your paper will be read further and will be accepted. Otherwise, 99.99 papers will be rejected only going through which one? Abstract. That's why you are being asked to write abstract and introduction. Then, right? So you have to take much care. But what you people do? Simply you write abstract. Simply you write introduction. Introduction about whole subject. Physics. Raman started. Now physics. Who is that? What is your work? You introduce your work. What are the present issues you have to say? These are all the issues. So I have focused on this, and these are the things I am going to cover. What are the things I have to say? Okay. Then review of literature. This is the most important part. Most of the people don't know what to do in the review of literature. Answer for this question and your review of literature. Why you selected this topic? Give me the answer for this question with the reviews. Why you selected this topic? In review of literature, especially, write in Tamil first. Give the answer for this thing. Then you can translate into English. So why you select this topic? And what are the early research work? What point they covered or not covered? What is the early? They have covered up to this limit, but in my studies, I have expanded up to this level. You should give in every reviews. Then analyze the limitation of them. They are focused only these in metals and they have not concentrated these substances. I have taken because review of literature is maintaining the research gap. What is that? They focus on the research gap and takes further and focus it somewhere. So that what you have to do, review of literature, while you read the review of write the review of literature, you should read full paper of the reviews and find what they missed exactly and focus on it. So in this paper, Dr. Narayanan has concentrated on these issues and he has left this issue in his work. So that I focused in my article with the proper method, style of writing style, as I told you that. Then earlier researchers have said a different method, even you are doing the same thing. So they have used different method. In my study, I have used these different methods. Let me compare the results with those methods and this method. So that I have taken for this work is not done. Earlier you have to focus. Am I making this clear? Then methodology and discussion. So methodology can be divided into subchapters and how it would be theoretical analysis and work analysis wise. And divide this section into materials and methods. You should divide this section into materials and method, characterization, measurements and data analysis. And how this result and interpretation can be done. Result and interpretation either you can give in one chapter, one things. Otherwise, these two sections can be separated, it can be combined or separated. In which you have to give, describe the results in detail and include a healthy detailed discussion. You should describe the results. These are the results we have got. You should explain it and detail discussion. The order of figures should follow the discussion. The figures should be followed according to the discussion and not the sequence they were conducted. You should not say that this is the first test I did, second test I did. No. In what way you have described accordingly how to focus the figures along with it. Discuss how your data compare and contrast with the previous. This is most important. This one is most important. How your data is contrast with other work. You give reviews here also. In what way you are differing from others' work? Otherwise, how you supplement this others' work? You should give. Then include schemes, photographs to enhance the scope of discussion. And this is called validation part. Result is compared with a standard result. Your result should be compared with a standard result. This is or not? This table value is so. What is your value? In what way it is should be compared? And available experimentation also compared. With the earlier experimentation has brought this result. My experimentation has brought this result in such a way. You should compare with the earlier experimentation. It will support you. Okay. Then, what are the phrases that function as linkers? What are the phrases that you can use? To express result. To express your result, you should use therefore, as a result, consequently, thus, hence, in such a way, these words can be used. To give examples, for example, otherwise, for instance, specifically, as an illustration, in such a way, you can make use of. To express comparison, similarly, Dr. Somasundaram has done his work, likewise, the result of him, right? Then to express contrast, you are against of something, right? Otherwise, yet. What is the meaning of but? What is the meaning of yet? But yet both are same. In what way it is different? Yet na innuma. Okay, now listen. But she is poor, but she is right. 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 And cost. And cost money was not able to get the price. Right. Okay. You are planning against her. You are, but she is happy. Still, she is happy. The meaning is still here. So that is the contrast here. While you use these are the certain terminology, yet should be used only with the present tense, but should be used with only past tense. So the meaning I have seen. Try to understand the same. Still, however, nevertheless, on the other hand, these are all the again contrast while you want to look at the they express addition. Moreover, otherwise, furthermore, also to besides in addition and to indicate time. Now, later, meanwhile, since then, after that, before that time. To express sequence, you know very well. First, second, last, in such a way, right? These are the linkers that you can make use of while writing your. Conclusion means try to understand. Abstract is the complete manuscript summary, but conclusion is not like that. So you should not bring any words from the abstract. I told you that. Conclusion is result should show the value of your work. Here you should show the value. In what way your work is different from others? You have to show here. In what way you are different from others, right? Conclusion is what is specific, result specific. How our work differ with the general result. You should argue here. Overall study reflects what outcome you should argue here. Applicable to what level you have to tell. So my study is applicable to only these substances, and you have to tell. Then what implication to further? What is the implication to further? After that, what happened? What will happen? You should assume and tell. After writing all those things, still I have a doubt, sir. You want to digest yourself. Is this or not? You want to digest yourself. For digestion, ginger is best. That's why you should digest with white smoke writer, otherwise ginger proofreader. For English correction. For English correction, this is free. Ginger proofreader. While you click on that, you upload your paper for English correction. Ginger software. It will give like this. If you have done something else, it will suggest you like this. Ginger proofreader. Otherwise, white smoker. Yeah, white smoke writer. Microsoft Google Docs. Office Live. Adobe Acrobat Professional, Dropbox. So even white smoke writer. Let us go for white smoke writer. For correcting your article in English. So you should get this white smoke. These are all the some even some are subscribed one. Some are subscribed one. Some are free. Okay. So you should go for English correction thereafter. Try to understand. Thereafter, you have to go for English correction. Right. Then you should wait for, you should submit your paper. As I told you that you should divide the paper. You should save your paper title, without your name, abstract, one article, one file. Then full title, full article, one file. Then your figures, right? Your figures are separate in one file. Then your bibliography, right? With your bibliography, with your badge, good photo, right? One, you should check submission, manuscript, manuscript, then author bibliography in such a way you should save the files and you should upload one by one. Try to understand. According to the journal guidelines, minimum the standard journals will ask minimum how many files? 5 files. That's why you should see submission process. What all the files are needed? You should look at it. While your paper has sent for whether it is sent to the journal immediately, the manuscript is usually reviewed by 2 to 3 reviewers. And while you are asked to submit your paper with the title and only abstract name, that is called blind review. Blind review means what? Nobody knows whose paper it is. Right? What happened? Your file is edited in the journal. You will send the paper. On seeing your paper name, they will accept the file. Blind review. No author name. And usually 2 to 3 reviewers. That blind review, sometimes double review or even triple blind review. Okay, don't go here. What editor really expect from your paper? Is significantly correct and interest to the reader. This is the first question. Because editor will send the paper to the reviewers. First cut where editor itself. If your paper is not significant, and it is not interest to the reader, if the editor thinks, editor may not be your subject area. Editor may not be from your subject area. He is very common, but he will look at that. Whether the paper is significant or whether it is interest to the reader or not, he will look at it. Whether he is interested, whether it is correct, he will send first to the reviewer. And whether it reports something new or significant. Whether you have given new information or not. You have copied all those things, earlier things, means that it will not be taken. And the reviewers, why they want to reject your paper, you know? Topic, not trending or impactful. Your topic is not that much trending. It doesn't make any impact. The topic on this one, you know, it is 1,001 paper. It is one more addition. And uneven geographical distribution of citation. What is that, sir? In references, you have included only those references from Tamil Nadu. Only from this area, particular subject area, not other relevant subject area, which is very much relevant to the topic. So that is called a citations also, see, references. And even language error, maximum errors, and many irrelevant self-citations. Even what happened? You have going on adding your guide paper, right? Your guide misses paper, again your paper, that's all. Then, not recent citation. You have cited only 1975, 1978, 1980, and the prime articles are said as a primary article. Primary article has current information. Where is the current information? 1978 is the current information. So automatically rejected. Recent citation 2021 means 2021 should be 5 or 6 papers should be 2021 name. Then it should be minimized. In such a way, you should go in descending order, not in this order. And even if you are all successful, they will send this one. Which one? Carry through with the journal name, background journal name. You cannot take it to submit to anybody else. So galley proof is they will send you your paper is accepted. This is the galley proof. Whether your paper is published in that journal, it will look like this type. This is a model. Do you want to make any simple correction in it? This paragraph is splitted. It should be started with here. If you want to make simple correction, you can do it and send, that will make a change. That is called a galley proof. Right? So if you have got galley proof, success. Right? Otherwise, they will send you back. So for that, what you have to do? What are the writing process you have to follow? What you have to do, sir? Writing the first draft. What you have to do? Writing the first draft, not copying. You should write at your own. Writing the first draft. Then you have to revise it. Revise the first draft. Then again refining. Then editing. Thereafter, while you editing, what are the things to be done? Looking at your paragraph. You should look at the paragraph. You should look at the sentences. You should look at the vocabulary also. Right? Main vocabulary. Vocabulary means what happened? Some vocabulary should be that. For example, popular. What is the meaning of popular? Notorious. Notorious. What is the meaning of notorious? Popular. Notorious is meaning also popular. But notorious, for example, I can tell you that some Veerappan earlier. What's notorious? Notorious means in negative popular. Though the meanings are same, popular, but in negative meaning. This popular is positive. So if your vocabulary is in negative meaning or positive meaning, you should look at that. Then format. Do you follow the same format what the guidelines have said? Then indentation. Indentation means first level, second level, third level. Bullets, points, have you used it properly? Then visual aids. Visual aid means graph and some figures. Proofreading. Thereafter, you should read your proof properly. Then only you should go for. You should rewrite again and again. You have to do all those things. Once you have got satisfied, you can submit your paper. Right? Right? Before that, plagiarism is a must. For avoiding plagiarism, what you have to do? You should go for the reference managers. So you should cite while you write. Thereafter, there itself, you should cite your write, and you have to change the citation style according to, journal expectation. The same article can be sent to somebody else. You should not forget it. Immediately, you should change the style. If he is rejecting, again, if you send to the some other journal with the correction, you should revise it, and you should organize your citation. These are all some free journals in Elsevier. These are all the free journals. For example, how the free journals will be. For example, Journal of Pharmaceutical Analysis. This is open access journal. The journal is peer reviewed, subsidized open access journal, where this university pays the open access fees. Authors don't have to pay any open access publication fees. Maximum people pay, sir. The guides phone me. Sir, my student will come and meet you, sir. Okay, sir. Student come, sir. Any amount, okay, sir. I will pay for it, sir. Send me, say any journals. 12,000, 15,000. Are you ready to pay? So better you can go for which one? Free journals, right? So find out the free journals. As I told you that in how to target your journal and find out whether it is free journals or not. These are all the Elsevier free journals. Okay, these are all the Elsevier free journals. This is Springer free journals. For example, avian research, just I clicked on this avian research. Fees and funding. The publication costs for aviations are covered by this forestry university. So authors do not need to pay an article processing charge for accepted publication. In such a way, they might have given. You should go for this free journal as you are the students. So you need not pay. Only the things, if you spend your lot of time in writing quality articles, they will never ask you any money. If you go for predatory journal or second-hand journal, the second quality journals, they will ask. Even I can tell you that second quality journals are available in Scopus also. right? So they will ask money, $600, $500, $400, right? So that better. What you have to do, avoid this thing, go for 3 channels in Scopus and the above size, and you submit your paper, and whether your paper is quality one, then they will accept it, and your paper will be published in that journal. Is this or not? So can you do this or not? What is the first step you are going to do hereafter? So you should target your journal and start writing your journal articles at your home. Discontinued only the way. So what you have to do, if you are ready to, as I told you that, madam, even you have said one bad word, I don't have time. Even the last class I told you that we should not use this terminology, these words. This is the, I mean, destructive words of life. Don't use the word. God has given 24 hours to each and everybody. Even the beggar has 24 hours. Even the Joe Biden has 24 hours. There is no any variation. Is it? So everyone has been allotted 24 hours by the God. If we say this word, we have just complained against the God. We have complained against the God. I have no time. God has given you all the times, good time, and even you can start your work. Only that thing, how much time that you have spent for your betterment. This is so not. So technology is so much. I can tell you that. So once you have decided that I want to be successful, if you say that I want to be successful, you can. So success may come anytime. Success may come anytime. So simply, so what happened, you know, once a beggar was always stretching his hands in front of a temple. So while he was one of the businessmen, he used to pay some amount for a particular beggar. One day he found that he has outstretched both of his hands. He outstretched both of his hands. Then he asked, what is quite new today? You have outstretched both of your hands today? He said, sir, my business was going well. My business is going on well. That's why I have opened another branch. So having satisfied with this statement, he has put another, I mean, $1 coin in his hands also. So that the way in which we please to others will be successful. Writing article is in what way that you are able to please your editors, reviewers, then your paper will be clear. So things are there. We have taken birth in this world to be successful. This is or not? So we have gone for success. So I hope that I have an hope on you that you will be successful. Do you have your own hope? Yes. So you will be successful when when you get one paper published and find that it is in Scopus, you may have the joy, the inner joy in your mind. And on the day you will think that hereafter I will go on writing papers and publishing all the Scopus journals, all the Web of Science journals. Your mind will say so and you will follow it. One day I will find that in the newspaper, Nobel laureate will be published. I mean, Nobel Prize goes to Annamalai University alumni. I hope that you will receive Nobel Prize for your, success and your efforts, right? So all the best and do your publication activity. Thank you.